exercise 2 again. 1.1. Find the equation of the tangent and the normal to each circle at the given point on the circle again. Right. So here we are asked to find the equation of the tangent again, and also the normal again. So scalable normal again. So we never talk about normal in geometry again. Or normally this straight line. That's one. A straight line that passes through the center of the circle perpendicular to the chord. So the normal is perpendicular to the chord. So I think this line, line from center, because the line from the center, okay, and then again is perpendicular to the tangent. In the chord, perpendicular to the tangent, not the chord. That's the normal. So the first question says find the equation of the tangent and the normal to each circle at the given point. So normal diameter and radius same properties in terms of perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. Normal, radius, and diameter come perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So sometimes they can ask you about the radius, the diameter, or the normal. Come perpendicular to the tangent. Right. So here, but if the x squared plus y squared equals to 13 at -3, say, right? So we know what we must first find the gradient of what? Of the radius. Again, which is also the gradient of the normal. Which is also the gradient of the diameter, because it's the same straight line. Straight lines are gradient here too. Like a gradient is straight line, gradient jana. What is the gradient again? What is the gradient? This slope. This slope. Gradient again. You should know what is gradient. I can look at the physical calculus. So you should understand what is gradient or gradient again. So I get gradient if you want to check whether your gradient is positive or negative. Again, this one is always this hand, hold the lesson. Again, this hand, the negative, the left hand negative gradient. Again, and then the right hand gives you positive gradient. So I was move up from here like this. Again, I can move up from my left hand again here to the right. In terms of gradient, alright, let me draw like this. Again, what's up my move when you go like this one? The gradient is positive. So positive gradient from left. The negative gradient from right. So while positive, you put something, you put energy in terms of gradient. So the fellow to imagine yourself a wheelbarrow. You put more energy when you are but the whole fit agamo what it all. Get this and you are not ground to one more get this again. The whole life you go the gradient is negative. So you understand the gradient. Or not, gradient in terms of the gradient here is the same. Again, then come the gradient. It's the same positive and gradient here. Again, come negative gradient here. Go on. Let's look at the calculus. Look at the gradient of a curve. Curve in the gradient of a so ngari imagine how zama ya muri dimra and the second. Right. Ho zama ya mu kamu waju again. Kamu over straight nyana so look, I was my so right. Then what hormone do you yellow on us? Right. So can you see we have different gradients here? Where we should energy of Papa. That's where the gradient take care. Gradient of Papa. But that's for calculus. For now, we will at least integrate your gradient in terms of calculus and then gradient level. A straight line in the same gradient. Yeah, what? You never come per line. Bumper this point to this point. Right, one eye. But I get gradient AB. But some part AB. But one P point. I can still use this point to calculate the gradient because this point, maybe one P CT. Right one. Because A, C, D are collinear, they are on the same straight line. They have the same gradient. Yeah, same straight line, same gradient. Yeah, we talked about collinear in grade 10. Right, let's go back to this one. Can you go to clarify the gradient in terms of calculus? Because this concept here, gradient in terms of graph is very, very important. But every time after calculating gradient, check gradient. I go back to the portion was substituted out. Or check the line, or line like shape or it must be positive. Again, rate over which from your left hand. All know from left hand, from left hand, we have to the right. Again, all know what the gradient is positive, all know what the gradient should be negative. Yeah, right. So here we started by calculating the gradient. We used the center and the point. Again, which is 3 minus 2. Again, center nagging is 0, 0. Yeah, so the distance from the gradient of the line from the center to the circumference, the point of contact, which is what? The radius. Yeah, and don't forget the radius and the normal, they are on the same straight line. Yeah, right, so we find the gradient which is minus 2 over 3. Again, so gradient here, the gradient 10, yeah, normal. Right. And again, the normal and the tangent at that point of contact, they share a point. Yeah, that's why we look at the gradient here, the normal. We just take that gradient substitute again, raveling y minus 2 equals to negative 3 over 2 into x. We don't say x2. This is x. I don't want to put again. It's x minus x1. Right? X minus x1. So plus 3. Again, I prefer this formula because with this formula you just substitute and then take this one to the left. Right? Unlike y cos mx plus, you have to calculate c. Right? So this one also substitute. I'm not saying that one is wrong, but I prefer this one. Right, then our answer here will be y equals to minus 3 over 2x. Again, then plus 3 plus 2, plus probably negative 3 over 2 times 3. Therefore, negative what? Negative 9 over 2 again, and then plus 2. Right, then negative 9 over 2 plus 2, therefore y equals to minus 3 over 2x, negative 9 over 2 plus 2. Agree with this change 2 back. Therefore, yes, dear. Which one? No, this one is for the normal. Yeah. Which one? It's agree the answer is negative 3 over 2. Again, so here I'm calculating the gradient for the normal. I can take it to the tangent. The straight line, the normal. But what's the gradient? Taking the equation here, radius. Because question will clear. Just the question again. Eric, find the equation of the normal, of the tangent and the normal. Normal again, radius. So from a builder, normal. I agree gradient, normal. Because normal and radius, they are on the same straight line. No, radius is right, normal. Right. So here I'm finding the gradient of the normal. The negative feature gradient, I mean equation of the normal. Negative feature tangent. Right. So let's add minus 9 over 2 plus 2. Negative 5 over 2. So gradient again. I mean equation again. Normal. Right. Then there are tangent again. So your tangent yes, that's our m radius times m tangent equals to -1 because the two are perpendicular. D perpendicular. Right. So m radius times m tangent equals to -1. Then divide m radius, which is -3 over 2 5 3 over 2 again, which is correct. Right. Then we substitute -2 lay 3 over 2. -2 can again equal 8 now again lay 3. Then we have y minus 2 equals to 3 over 2 into x plus 3. Then multiply 3 over 2x plus 9 over 2 again. Then plus 2. Right. Then you have 18 over 2. So with this one again, this one again. Normal. So I can tell you maybe the last one appreciate. Another focus to a tangent. Right? You didn't check on what is normal. Yes, there is. A gradient. This one. A. Certainly, the gradient is 0 minus 2. Again, over 0 minus 3. Again, it's -3. A, which is equals to what? -2 over 3. Move where? Here. A. Or literally 3 over 2 instead of 2 over 3. Oh, okay. 3 over 2. All right. Let's have for that. So where is 3? -2 over 3. Again. Then we have -2 over 3. So what I'm going to do? Then you multiply over minus 6 over 3. Again. Minus 6 over 3, which is equals to 3. Come on. Then you have minus 3 plus 2. Then our answer here will be what? -1. Come on. This is the one for the normal. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah? The mistake is like a -3 over 2 instead of 3 over 2. This catch up with all 3 and 3 cancels. So Rochelle again. Again. Minus 2 plus 2, Rochelle again. Rochelle again. Y equals to minus 2 over 3 instead of -3 over 2. So this is the gradient here. This is the equation for the normal. Oh, okay, fine. If we get the normal, it's a theory. Let's catch up over there. Let's share camera. Camera is not for you. Again, we're not detected mistakes we are going to fix again. Right. Now let's go to 1.3. 1.3, we are given x squared. X minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals to 4. Again, I don't participate in ignore the camera. Jumbo camera, not participate. I get camera even chopot. Not you. So participate. So what is given here? We are given the equation of the second. Again, k plus 3, not minus 3. Again, k plus 3. Right. So we are given the equation of the second. Again, the equation of the second with center not at the origin. Right. Why not at the origin? Because we have x minus 2 y plus 3. Right. So meaning our center here is what? It's 2 -3. This is very, very important. These are basics. Are the mastery. I don't like a equation. This is the center is going to be the x radius center again. E2. It was negative here, but then it's way back. 2. So we have plus 3. The y value that we have minus 3. Yeah, you are A and B. Again, because the standard equation is x minus A times, plus squared plus y minus b all squared. Again, equals to r squared. Right? So when we are saying we must check. Really positive, we make it negative. Yeah, because sometimes they can ask you to find the center of the equation like this. So this type of marks, let's collect them. Okay. Right, then. So we have the center and the point of contact. Again, therefore we can find what? The gradient of the radius. Gradient of the radius, the global length. Gradient of the radius equals to y2 minus y1. Again, divide by x2 minus x1. Right? Then we substitute. What is y2? You're going to choose a 1 again. Or this one will be 2, or this one will be y2 will be favor the point. Let's take the point as 2. Remember minus 1 again plus 3. Right? Over 2 minus 2 again, which is 0. Right? Then anything divided by 0 again is 0. Yeah, but then we reach out the most important point. Or now, what happens if the gradient is 0? When I gradient is 0. We talked about this in grade 11. Gradient is 0. Yeah? Is it? Oh, the denominator is 0. Again, the answer should be what? Undefined. So the answer is going to be undefined. Can I say camera. It's not the camera, it's the but again, get there. The barrel village. The barrel village was barrel village. Again. So this type of mistakes here. So the answer is going to be undefined. Why undefined? Because our denominator is 0. Right? So when denominator is 0, what do I like? In terms of a graph, if for example like a straight line, what do I like denominator is 0? Yeah? You expect to have maybe was met by class I will understand. Maraba class FE. What's going to for answer? Or now to allow gradient easy. Probably wasted our resources last year. Give us a scar down. Would you allow gradient easy? I mean, rate gradient undefined. Kidding gradient undefined. Line of like a it's a vertical line. Yeah, correct. Gradient is vertical line. Why? Because in the Cartesian plane, in the Cartesian plane, again, a vertical line, which is line again. Repeat the line x equals to 1. Right? It's a vertical line. For every y value, x again by 1, 1, 1. So if I want to find the gradient here, x again by 1 minus 1 into 0. Yeah, like any vertical line, any line parallel to the y-axis, gradient again undefined. Yeah, like then horizontal line is parallel to the x-axis. Again, line right. So more if E2, this is the line y equals to 2. Right. In terms of gradient, the whole in 2 minus 2, 0. Right. Then the gradient becomes 0. Yeah, like so any gradient, gradient is 0. What are the line horizontal line? These things are very, very important. Horizontal line gradient is 0. Vertical line gradient is undefined. Yeah, like now let's talk about it in real life. In terms of gradient. Again, which line is this one? Line again. Vertical. Let's say line here and you watch the yard in equal. Yeah? So that's why the gradient here is what? Undefined. I don't think I'm going to I agree with gradient in terms of therefore the gradient is undefined, not zero. Then you get a Maya. Yes, similar. Line this is horizontal. As horizontal. Yeah? Horizontal like it is a so horizontal. And it's a energy. It's normal. The gradient is zero. Again, you will be like 3. I get 4. Yeah, like it. It's a horizontal line. Here is a Maya. I get to make a in terms of gradient, key sharp to real line. What you know, again, what it gives you of undefined, give you of fuzzy. Remember, all you are against positive, more are on ring. The gradient is undefined. But regular my horizontal. Again, you will like it. Again, the gradient is 0. Yeah, right. So, the whole little like a calculus, please apply this. Tabini gradient undefined 0. Lower negative gradient even 0 is very, very important in calculus. Minimum and maximum. Why at maximum the gradient is 0, at minimum the gradient is also 0. Right. So more gradient day. Radius. Again. So what radius again? It's a vertical line. Again. And a vertical line is always perpendicular to the horizontal line. Yeah? So what the equation of the normal. I can normally radius. Equation here is a vertical line. Again, and the vertical line here, it pass out point if vertical line there. 2 and 2. So this is the line x equals to 2. I get to get the line x equals to 2 because it's a my straight so I get to so you're not equation here. Then if you relate then the equation here tangent again because the tangent in the radius you go at the point of contact get at this point. So normally shion the line x equals to 2. Again, then more rather tangent. Again, tangent is a horizontal line. And a horizontal line is the line y equals to 20, not 2, 20 feet down the y. So what you are fit away 20 point, but this is the point 2 minus 1. So line it by the line y equals to minus 1. Because if it's down minus 1, I don't know the gradient here 0 and undefined. Gradient undefined or on vertical line. Again, and a vertical line is the line x equals to x value if down where. Again, horizontal line is the line y equals to y value if down where. So our equations here for the normal is x equals to 2. Again, then for the what? For the tangent is y equals to minus 1. Right, just again. So let's like I said, analytical geometry. Analytical geometry we relate to graphs, especially the straight line. Again, and the second, you must always relate it to the hyperbola. Right, now RRO 1.6. 1.6 x squared plus 3x plus y squared minus 4y equals to minus 5. Can again? X squared are participating. X squared plus 3x plus y squared minus 4y equals to minus 5. Again, then the point of contact is at minus Minus 1 is to 3. Here, we are finding the equation of the tangent. Again, to the end, the equation of the normal. So to find the equation of the tangent, again, we must have 2 points. Again, actually we must have we must have a point. This is the equation here, y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. We need the gradient. Again, we also need the point. So we are affiliate the point. Short again, gradient. So how are we going to find the gradient? We use the point and the center. To find the gradient of the radius. Again, right here the gradient of the radius m radius times m tangent equals to -1 because radius is perpendicular to the tangent. So here we are given the equation. Again, the general equation, not the standard form. The cent. So we must find what? The cent. Like I said, computing the squares is very, very important. That's why. Right. So here they won't ask you to find the cent. They just ask you the question. So if you don't know how to find the center, it's a problem. Right. So when I was for me to find the gradient of the tangent, I must find the gradient of the radius. To find the gradient of the radius, I must find the what? I must have the what? The center and the point. Because radius is from the center to the point, to the circumference, which is the point of contact. Right. So we need the center. Again, center by completing the squeeze. Again, right. First check equation here has been grouped. Again, the x to the y to again, we don't have the coefficient of x squared and y squared. Again, then give another coefficient of x squared and y squared, then go to divide again. So let's complete the squeeze. So Robale x squared plus 3x. Again, we take the coefficient of x, which is 3. Again, we half it again and square it. So half here 3 is 3 over 2. Square it squared. Right? Plus y squared minus 4y. We take the coefficient of y. Again, we half it and square it. Right? Half here 4 guy 2 squared. Again, like I said, I prefer very like a squared. Again, because you're to share bracket. Again, equals to minus 5. Then we are plus 3 over 2 squared plus 2 squared. So this question, I never calculated the radius as such. Again, some questions they can ask you or not radius here. So it's important to also know what this is the radius. So when we factorize this, again, or as a square, again, we say x reject x again. Reject the sign between x squared and x squared, you have a plus. Again, then Raval 3 over 2 squared. That's why you should be the squared there instead of 9 over 4. Plus y minus 2 squared. Again, equals to 5 over 4. In this question, the radius was not important. Again, so what is the center? Negative 3 over 2 the 2. Because negative 4 when I was positive. I can't discuss. Maria. You would have Maria Bamohala, soon like Maramoya Maria Bamwa. I didn't want to come on. Maria Bamwa, Maria Fuja, and 1 year, and even they discuss. Right. So rename minus 3 over 2 as our center. Again, now we can find what? The gradient of the radius. Again, so the gradient of the radius, gradient the radius equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Let's substitute up. 3 minus 2. Again, 3 minus 2 over, or 2 minus 3. Again, what will be 2? What am I going this one? How to make this coordinate 3 by 1 down can I 1. Again, so I think sometimes it's advisable already 1. Or this is my my x2. X2 and then y2. Then Gamuga Kabale x1 y1. Right? You know, I remember when I come from we will substitute as the mistake because my father mistake you must substitute to the gradient. Again. Then Gamuga Tabale minus 1 plus 3 over 2. Again. So we can go straight to the answer to calculator. Okay? Yeah, 2. Again. So gradient take care. Kia radius or kia normal or kia diamond. Again, depending on the feeling. Right? Then Rovale y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Just write the formulas. Even though every time we want to appreciate, repeat it, write the formulas, write it until you get it. You can write it. You want to write it. Ragwana, Karagato Mawai. Oh, Mawai. So I want to change again. And the way you want to say the again. The one write over x2. I don't think we write to one test x2 that Louis Poshol looked. Right. But if you take this, divide here, this divide here is the gradient. Right? So what are the formula gradient is formula straight line? Yeah? But what's the straight line of the gradient? Right? What relationship? The Giambo divide up. Give a gradient. Yeah? Let me just say one. Yeah. Okay, it's okay. Right. I'll substitute. So Romale, y minus what? Let's get a mistake. This is the center. Again, I'll substitute again. A substitute of contact. Yeah, like it. Because that line doesn't pass through the center. Yeah, like it. We could only substitute at the center for what? For the normal. Or for the radius. Because the normal passes through the center. But with the tangent, there's no way lining a wire tangent passes through the center of the second. Yeah? Because here Humagai, and then Humamugai, Mulakiri. So let's substitute this one, more this one. Y minus 2, because normal can substitute at the center. Again, lower substitute like this one, you still get the same answer. Right? Y minus 2 equals to 2 into x minus plus 3 over 2. Now, why don't we this is subtract straight. So, Rovalo y equals to 2x plus 3. Again, plus 2, which is equals to y equals to 2x plus 5. This one is for the normal. Again, now let's find the one for the tangent. Again, so we the negative reciprocal of the radius. Again, so the internal tangent is okay. Yeah, without any calculations. Here, okay, negative 1 over 2, because when we multiply the two sides of negative 1. So, okay. Minus 2 again. So let's substitute y minus what? Minus 3. I can formula it minus 3 equals to negative 1 over 2 into x plus 1. Again. So y equals to negative 1 over 2x. Again. Minus 1 over 2 plus 3. Negative 1 over 2 plus 3 equals to y equals to minus 1 over 2x plus 5 over 2. Right, let's move to number 2. Remember too much again. Yeah. Is it 2 or 3? 2. 2 each. 2 year 1 year normal, 1 year gradient. 1 normal, 1 gradient. Right. Let's look at 2.1. Another problem with 2.1. Yeah? 2.1. Read the result. Yeah? 2.1. What's about ما قررت تسكتوا بصراحة لا لا إيه أنا ما تنتظر بس خلاص أوكي right. So now, but we do the sentence at the origin again. So if the center is at the origin, we fill the point mark. So let the center is at the origin. What are center mark? The O. But if you the point 5 minus 3 again. We need 5 minus 3 again. So we have to calculate what? The gradient of the radius again. Gradient of the radius still equivalent. Gradient of the radius equals to, alright, m radius equals to rho 0 minus 3 over 0, 0 plus 3 again, over 0 minus 5, or minus 3 minus 0, and then minus 3 minus 0, 5 minus 0. If we take 1, coming down 2. Again. Then the total 3 over negative 3 over 5. Again. Then Ranyaga negative reciprocal at this one. Again. So what are the tangent? 5 over 3. When I multiply these two, I get negative 1. Rabisha. Ragamuda. Sometimes whole page of the ring would multiply. Take your calculator and then multiply them. Check out now negative 1. What's agree negative 1? Rasukre negative reciprocal. Right, then tangent again. So Shumisha y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Yes. Yeah? Amara lo homo to work it. Yeah? Change. Yeah? How the change? Right. So Rowan y minus y plus 3 again equals to 5 over 3 into x minus 5. X minus 5. Again. So y equals to 5 over 3x minus 25 over 3 minus 3. Again, we cannot also calculate the answer. Equals to y equals to 5 over 3x plus or minus minus 34 over 3. Great. Right. Then, number 2. Again, with center minus 2 and passing through the point 1, 0 on the circumference. Yeah? Center is minus 2. Again, minus 4, 2. Again. And it's passing through the point 1, 0. Right. So what if you send internet? So this is air repeater again. So rename the point. Our open pay. Minus 4, 2. A. Low 1, 0. Again. So this one is the center. This one is the point. Again. So we can find the gradient of the radius. Again. Gradient of radius equals to 0, all right, yeah. Like say, what should I write it? All right, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Again, so this is my x2, this is my y2, this is my x1, this is my y1. Again, so what are the equivalent? 0 minus 2 over 1 plus 4. Again, which is equals to minus 2 over 5. Again, then Kanyaga reciprocal, negative reciprocal at this one. Again, so for our m tangent equals to 5 over 2. Right, we change. Right. So it's important as well to write this. M radius times m tangent equals to negative 1. When you answer this question, the final answer. Let's show that we know what the two are perpendicular. Yeah, because sometimes you may find on this a mark for this. So let's write it. This part of the mark for this one. So let's show what that right again. Right, then the equation of the tangent y equal y minus y minus 0 equals to 5 over 2 into x minus 1. Again, so which is equals to y equals to 5 over 2x minus 5 over 2. Right. X plus 2 squared plus y squared equals to 4. Again, at the x intercept. Yeah? At the x intercept. Yeah, so again. Right. Firstly, let's write the equation. Equation number x plus 2 squared. Again. Yeah? Plus y squared equals to 4. Again. Now, what is the center? Center here is minus 2, 0. Again, because there's y squared. Right. Center is minus 2, 0. Again. Then variable theory. Right. Before check us variable theory solve. Before variable theory check out. Do you agree with me? Worry. Agree B are negative. B are negative. Again. Let B is 0. What is this? What's this? What is 2 0? 2 0 got again. X intercept. 2 0 again. X intercept. Now for the what about Buloga on Utah? I'm talking about the Taha, like it. Hey, Taha, right. So that center same time, okay. Same time, okay. 0 minus 2 0 again. X is so now same time, okay. Yeah? Let's draw a rough sketch. Let's draw a rough sketch. Then I can draw a rough sketch here on the cartesian plane. Again, you do the gas center your guy. Let's talk about the center your guy. You are yeah? You are yeah? You have one. I can make a minus 1, we have a minus 2. Center Gashiona. Revan. So when I can draw a second. You should share what you need. I get second. Rough sketch second. This is the center. Revan. So do you agree with me? Or the radius, or the normal, or the diameter, it's a horizontal line. It's the x-axis. Yeah? Yes. Sorry? Yeah. Because the center, again, the center is where? Yeah? Center is where? At the x-intercept. Again, radius like a short. It's a horizontal line. Sure, like a diameter, horizontal line. Radius A. But now, radius is like a inch. Radius is horizontal line. When you get information in you, or one of the radius is short, horizontal line. And the radius is horizontal line. It's about radius or the 4. Again, I mean, this one I 4. Radius is 2. Radius is always positive. Yeah? Keep talking. Again, the second is at the what? The center is at the x-axis. Right. Now, I will go to the question. It's something like well question. Now you have to go like right. X plus 2 squared plus y squared equals to 4. Again. Find the equation of the tangent. But the tangent is at the x-intercept. Right? X-intercept. Secondary interpret. Again. The tangent is where? Is at the x-intercept. Yeah? Radius is William. I mean, tangent is William. Here over where? At the x-intercept. And then the tangent over at the x-intercept must be perpendicular to the what? To the radius. Again, I asked up below the radius. So since it's perpendicular to the radius, the only line that will be perpendicular to the radius, over at the x-intercept, is this line. Line TJP. The vertical line. Any other line, the tangent is at the x-intercept. Or perpendicular. The line that the door second line yawa so. It has perpendicular. In terms of perpendicular, is the vertical line, is the line parallel to the y-axis. Perpendicular to the radius. Yeah? At the x-intercept. Right. Line out one perpendicular to the line a vertical line. Because radius is saying horizontal. Again, radius is horizontal is perpendicular to the vertical line. So to find my radius, I get my center is minus 2, 0. Again, Raymond. Ingisha mutalopa lubya. Erikize negamu kutore mutalopa. Mutalopa. Erikize so. Ingi gamu kere. 1. Kere 0. Minus 1. Perkamuka. Kumisha na area. Mutalopa. Minus 2. Minus 3. Minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Again, before we like I'm Taloba, in a Garquan and Mola Tabella Kipuliti. Again, or again, the radius is to the tangent. Again, then Marbutur, the center is at the x-axis. Again, the new number which are there. The tangent is where? Is at the x-intercept. But let the x-intercept. But let's why. So over the x-intercept, the only line here is perpendicular. Get the line parallel to the y-axis. Not any line. The line is straight. Vertical line. Here was cute. Here was so. Because it's perpendicular. Yeah, one. So when I'm looking there, line giant is the line y equals to r, the line x equals to. I get to know Gana because it is vertical line. Right one. So the line x equals to. What I'm going to check out the distance from here to here. The distance from here to here. What are you going to x value? Distance la go ikrabya mo ke bokae minus 2 ke sanitary. And radius ba le ba re ke bokae? Ke 2. Ra re go tsamaya 1 2. So line ya ka ke. So we need the line. I want to use technology. X equals to 0. Line ya gamma to. Yeah? Then you can move on from here. I can make a radius 1 2. Right? So the line here up. You have parallel to the second. The line x equals to minus 4. The answer is x equals to minus 4. These are the two lines. Jahuba tangent to the second. The circle is at the center is at the x-axis. Again, the tangent is tangent at where? At the x-axis. Vertical line. Horizontal line the diameter or the radius. Again, then we look up perpendicular. A horizontal radius is perpendicular to the vertical tangent. This is horizontal tangent by vertical. Rabishan. Vertical. Perpendicular over to what? To horizontal. Yeah? Okay. So it's the line x equals to 4 and the line x equals to minus 4. In tangent. Alright, now let's do this. RBSO. Let's check it. I check a cut line. I check a saw. Let me check what I don't need. Can I recheck it? Recheck a saw. Can I draw a saw? Alright, that's Yana Boyana. Right. Now I'm going to use this software called GeoGebra just to show. The equation again. Be sure na good right again. Again, we understand it again. But when we check a graphical software, you don't use software exam again. But you can make sense. Sarah, or right now, you go check out x squared, x plus 2 squared again plus y squared equals to 4. Or again, the line x equals to 0. The line x equals to minus 4. Tangent now. Yeah, go like the ringer get dry so straight. It goes near now. The river shifted. Right. Agree na leon. River shakar na leon. Angit. Listen, I hope I see you. Because she was not one of the only people who geometry when we go on. Ignore this one for now. You just balance it. Because you are learning it, the village. Sorry? Our beauty equation is what x plus 2 all squared plus y squared equals to 4. Eh? What happened? Or which plus? Plus. Nowhere I know the plus. It doesn't. X plus 2 all squared sorry all squared plus a y squared equals to 4. Right, and the second issue, I'm going to yeah, what like a weed, or give it a red. You prefer red? Right. So she is secondary again. Right, and then when I want to center, I little, she will not be 2. Again, -2. Here, like, and then the equation in level now, I want to check. We're not draw the line x equals to 0. Then the line x equals to -4. Are they going to be tangent to the second line? Yeah, but I like it. So let's check them. The line x equals to 0. Line x equals to 0. Why is that one? Where is the line x equals to 0? Right, you agree. Revan. Sure. Revan is tangent to the second. Right, let's check the line. More line because you can get the x-axis again. I'm going to get the y-axis. Let's check the line x equals to -4. So the line is also tangent to the second. So this is something will conclusion. Again, the center. Okay, at the x-axis. Or the center the x-intercept. Then tangent at the point of contact at the x-axis. Again, line generate the horizontal lines. The gradient, you check the distance from the center to the, I mean, even the vertical lines. I get the distance from the center to the point, to the circumference, the straight line. We go again at the radius. Distance I want to check out the radius. I can do my E. So the big stick we will also when using a geometry. Right. Let's go to the next question. Right. Now, 2.4. Check 2.4. 2.4, x minus 1 plus x. Right, let's write it. X minus 1 squared plus y plus 4 squared equals to 17. Right, one again. So more, barley. Yeah? Barley is at the origin. At the origin. The tangent. Right, one. The tangent is at the origin. Right, one. So, the tangent at the origin. You can start by finding the center again and check or not. Center again. 1 minus 4. Again, center 1 minus 4. Again, so as far as we another point. Again, 1. But worry. Yeah? The tangent is at the origin. Yeah, go like it. So really at the origin. Again, worry. Here, it reach back to straight lines, the graph straight lines. Again, graph straight line here of it pass through the origin. He graph them good. Ugaringa naso. Pass through the origin. Yeah? A straight line. I can tell you it's a straight line. Yeah? Graph your already answer. Equation already answer. You pass through the origin. I know. Y-intercept to origin. Oh. Right. The x-intercept and the y-intercept again is the origin. Yeah, so graph Javan, this all. The graph Javan, this all. Kiwo y equals to x. Very well. Rho y equals to 2x. Very well. Rho y additional to look one pattern now equals to 4x. Y equals to 6x. Rekamuka. Adina C. Yakwal. Equation on I C. Yakwal. So more of the Raga in effect. Naga gradient. Rakwan. Graph of line in effect in a gradient link. The X. Yakwal. Right, so we need the gradient. If we can Rekamukamu. In terms of graph Yakotoka C, it passes through the origin. Yeah, well, I like it. I can tell you it's a straight line. So, we need. Close it. More we need the gradient. I can look at gradient. Yeah, well, I like it. Because this is y equals to gradient x. Yeah, well, I like it. Right. So, I don't like a second layer passa. Second layer or second layer is so. Origin is sure. Again, Revan. A cycle as well passes through the origin. This cycle did through the origin. Again, very well. But it passes through the origin. And the tangent, ikawamo, depending on like second transition. So what are the point of contact? King, the origin. So in the center lane, the origin. Yeah, we can find the gradient of the radius because radius is from the center here to what? To the origin. Akisu na ya kwa eh reswa so how was sorry file but file the radius the point as the origin ya kwa so what are more overlay the gradient of what of radius equals to -4 over 1 akisu na kamkana because this is 4 minus 0 the origin the 1 minus 0 the origin which is equals to -4 then raravale ya tangent equals to -1 1 over 4 right 1 over 4 again therefore the equation of the tangent is the line y equals to 1 over 4x Agutu na kwa kala. Ifeli di kana. Next one. Y equals to 1 over 4x. Again, just not about the whole. Again, it's about to reiterate. To make sense. What you figure this? You want put our it passes through the origin. Or our point of contact, POO. And at the origin, again, I don't have C. Again, a constant. Yeah, I can ask about Intergrating. We're talking about the equation y equals to ax squared plus q, where q represents the sheet. Right? Vertical and horizontal sheet. This one, Raina sheet, is a pass through the what? The origin. Alright. Yeah, what are the 12 is legally 10 years. Right. Now, I have the next one, 2.5. Hey, no, not really. Sheet. X squared plus y squared equals to 7, which is parallel to the x-axis. Again, x squared plus y squared equals to 7. Again, x squared plus y squared equals to 7. And then this is parallel. The what? Which one is parallel to the y-axis? The tangent. Again, so we can draw a scenario parallel to the x-axis. So when you draw it, second hour, you know, draw a sketch here. Again, you need something like this. Tangent is again Sonia. Very well. They have the same gradient. Very well. Then, more probability in the words. Then, really parallel to the x-axis. Equation like because it's parallel to the x-axis. What are we? Radius again. Vertical line. Vertical line. I get to not come down. Yeah? Then, center Gamogiman. King is 0, 0. Right? So since center is 0, 0. What are we? This is the radius. Right? The radius is this one. The radius is undefined. The radius is undefined. Because here x is what? Is 0. You don't need like 0. Right? So when you know the gradient of the tangent or the equation of the tangent, again, more gradient. Gradient of tangent is over 0. Because here, the horizontal line. Horizontal line is like gradient. Yes, because y on is the same. Y minus y you was 0. So more here, this point, then this point. So this is the line y equals 2 with the line y equals 2. Then I get a point 0, again, and the point 0, key distance out of a more center, where? The distance out of a more center, where? And the distance out of a more distance. Radius. Radius R equals to square root 7. So this is the line y equals to square root of 7. Again, because it is from 0. Again, let the line y equals to negative square root of 7. Each height. Okay. Remove. 2.6. 2.6. Yeah, what the graph here straight line is very, very important. Look at this one. Right. Now let's move. X plus 3 all squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 25. Again, bar is parallel to the y-axis. Right. Again, given parallel to the y-axis again. Tangent. Again. Right. I can draw this one as well. A rough sketch. Again. Again. But the tangents are parallel to the y-axis. Yeah, one. So when I was limbo, it's about radius. It's about center. Then you can check out the distance. Right. Center, distance. Yeah, like depending on the radius again. It was simple because the center was at 0. Again, this time the center is what? What is the center there? I don't want the equation if y equals to x plus 3 y minus 2 squared equals to 25. Right. Now, what is the center? Center. What is the center? Center. A. Minus 3 and 2. Right. Now, the center again. So this one, I will also use the number line. Again, the direction number line. Right. Again, equality, the x-axis. Again, I'm going to ignore the. Alright, the direction sort of a graph. Again, so in the x again. Alright, first, what is the radius? The radius is okay. 5. Again. In minus 3. Again. Minus 2. Minus 4. Minus 5. Minus 6. Minus 7. Minus 8. Minus 9. Again. 2. 1. 0. Minus again. It's minus 3. Minus 2. Minus 1. 0. 1. 2. And then maybe 3. 4. Tangent here. Again. A. So more than this is the point. 0 sure number. Again, Mugabalo 1, Mugabalo 2 in terms of y. This is the point minus 3, 2. Again, I can draw a second. I can check out the distance using the. This is the center of the second. Again, I know what it because it's a vertical line. Again, Bambuchori is parallel to the what? To the y-axis. What it's a vertical line. Yeah, go on like vertical line will be the I know vertical line is perpendicular to the what? To the horizontal line. This is the horizontal line. So we'll counter from 3 radius here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So vertical line right now. So this is the line x equals to 2. Right. I counter up 1. 3 like I count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nigeria minus 8. This is the line x equals to minus 8. So what about it? Line being a what? Being tangent. Second one I can give it away. The line that is tangent to the second is the line x equals to minus 8 and x equals to 2. Yeah, Gora. Yeah, figure this one. I'm going to drag a chapter. It's a moyo. I'm going to chill with it. Got it. All right. Remember, are you all 2.7? 2.7. 2.7. Please, I wanted to explain something and then give you work, but that is training. I know what wrong with the appointment. I'm sure they need to fill up a car like it. Let an appointment to and the same appointment generally again. But if like our brand River 1, River Gachani, 10:30, Regapalua, Rawela, whatever. I have one so again. One. My science not get it. My science. Like a war. When I saw that, science, I want to. Right, let's check this one first. Right, so here we are told to determine the tangent. Again, tangent to second x squared plus y squared equals to 8. Again, parallel to the line -3, y equals to negative x plus 3. Yeah, go like. Now, what's the parallel? Again, or if two lines are parallel, what are line gradient down? If the two lines are parallel, the gradient are yeah, my science. My science. I don't know comments. If two lines are parallel, the gradients are yeah, we don't comments. Right. Thank you, comments. We appreciate that. Right. So what can we say about this one? What about it? I get the tangent. The tangent is parallel to this equation. Right. They are not the same. They are parallel. Again, what are M tangent equals to -1. Yeah, go ahead. Because the gradient here is -1. Yeah, go ahead. Equation is in this form. Bar y plus x plus 3 equals to 0. -3 equals to 0. We're not going to use a standard form. Again, standard form says if y equals to mx plus c. We're going to check gradient. Very careful. Yeah, go ahead. A plus c plus c. So we're also going to use x with the constant coefficient of y. H coefficient divided by coefficient. We're going to have gradient again. Yeah, go ahead. So they are parallel. And change the parallel. But now we tear by one like this form. General. Again, whenever we show standard form, we're going to have gradient again. Okay. Right. Now we know the gradient. For gradient is -1. Again, Mararan TV. King here side TV. Yeah? Aran TV. Oh, we know the same. Same to show you. Yeah? It's a send. Again, RTB. Give me the short term. Point of contact. Yeah, go on like it. If you can ask yourself for now, give me a short term. You don't put on my house. Because what's going on again? I don't know what eh? Oh, can you go to the school on the future? Rawan, RTB on that again. Rawan again. Put us Garunia, the Ferumala, the filter safety. It's about now again. Jaguar, mobile feeling, parafin equation, short again, point, remain gradient. Jaguar like not like a point of contact. We don't need a gradient. Over my petrol, normally verifying, verify equation, the point of contact. Right. So this time about for point of contact. Point of contact, that's what is x and 1. How one point does x and 1. As you are one. Eh? They are going to comment. the point of contact as X and Y. They are going to comment. Okay. So the point is X and Y. Short again, X and Y. Rewan. Arko maraguruba. Nakaka orang sai ko awuz. Kincha sex nyanga. Again, akinja ka wela ka wa. Apa? Rakwana. Riku wana ka kane. Riku kiara ko ma wana ka kwara di. Yampon? Wela mara. Wait, bala apa? X squared plus Y squared, which is parallel to the line y equals 2 minus x plus 3. What do I know? Again, I know what the gradient of the tangent is minus 1. Again, gradient the tangent is minus 1. Gradient is because negative 1 times 1 again, negative 1. Akitu narkamkana. Gradient the tangent. Again, when you go get a point. And actually, you can a point. Point you calculate again. A gradient. Again, then what is the gradient? You can calculate a gradient. Can be a second to now on. Agree with taking it right. 1 point, the radius. Then again, gradient. Rewan. With the Ragana Pola to go to Ragawa. In a gradient. Gradient is sticky. y1 minus y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, which is equals to 1. Rewan. Hey, you listen, I go in Malakazila. Every day so. Nobody is still again. The temporary. The gradient to come again. What about y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 equals to 1. Rewan. And then this is my x1. This is my y1. Can I get send it? It's 0. Rewan. 0 doesn't know what to say. Yeah, Rewan. 0 I know what is 0. 0 to something. Yeah? 0 is 0. Yeah? Ragamu mete. Yeah? 0 something. What is 0? Which one of them 0 out of 50? That's so much. Yeah, one. Hey, Karaga science. That's your science. As X2. Y2. Ragamuka. That's substitute. Again, Romaning. O minus minus 1. Again, over O minus x equals to 1. Remember y over x equals to 1. Look at what I meant. Let's do another sometime. Yes. Y equals to x. From here, make a multiply. Don't put your proportionality theorem somewhere. When a regular midpoint in something. Yeah? Regular midpoint. I can understand this part. Remember, why are you going to link the x? Yeah, one. Then go again, because y equals x, move y over x. Again, or move x over y. Because x squared plus x squared equals to 8. Ready to the original equation. Yeah? I can y x in the other guy. Rewan. And you get here. Come around the other guy for our equation. Rewan. Then I got 2x squared equals to 8. Divided by 2, x squared equals to 4. Introduce square root. X equals to plus or minus 2. Right? What are the y go guy? Come on, begin. Right? Kiki point of contact. Again, point of contact take a maluma. Keep 2 and 2. Again, r minus 2 minus 2. Now, go check out like the question. Question is determining the equation of the tangent. Right? Then you theory y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Because Kiona formula is a straight line. And the tangent is a what? It's a straight line. I don't know substitute. Again, gine gradient jaga ya tangent sigma negative 1. Right? Therefore, y minus 2, which one this one again equals to minus into x minus 2, which is y equals to minus x again negative times positive yampa positive 2 again the negative 2 come positive 2 come plus 4, y equals to minus x plus 4 minus x negative times x again negative times negative 2 yampa 2 unit come positive. That's substitute the second point y plus 2 negative this time again equals to negative into x plus 2 negative. Multiply y plus 2 equals to minus x minus 2. Minus 2 y equals to minus x plus minus 4. If you check these questions, the three questions taken each. Again, the questions were repeating. The equation of a tangent in different ways. The same question, but the data come forward right. Number 1, number 2, I don't repeat our question yet again. When we summarize this, the equation of a tangent. Again, the coordinates just end. Again, coordinates point of contact. Again, the two coordinates who calculate the gradient of what? Of the radius. The gradient of the radius. Again, we derive the gradient of the tangent. Because the gradient of the radius is negative reciprocal of the gradient of the tangent. Because the two are perpendicular. Then take it, substitute to the equation y minus y1 equals to m into x minus 1. Again, minus x1. Your y1 and x1 is the point of contact. It's not the center. Right. So I reflex mastering. Right. Now, let's repeat up. We must repeat up. Because we again. We must repeat up. Wrap up. Wrap up. We wrap up. Right. We wrap up. Wrap up. Wrap up. The second one. And none of you, I want to watch any YouTube at my YouTube. I want to check next. I want to watch it. I'm going to comments. I want to watch it. Right now. I want to watch it. I go for now. I want to watch it again. For now, very young. Very. All right, now. What the activity we're looking at lines. Okay. If you go to YouTube, you'll find this presentation you present and then explaining everything you can explain. Again, we looked at lines on seconds. Again, so right now we like a second centimeters important. Again, before we like a second centimeter, we like a second because the value center the whole draw second using the radians. Yeah, right. Then, when I get a second, I like the second. Yeah, we share. I mean, Renale this line. Line A, you line. This one. Before we will like a second. This is just a line. Again, line here and a relationship. This is one relationship. One relationship. Eh? I did touch her. Yeah, like it. With this one, they can ask you. Hopefully, equation a straight line. Again, equation a straight line again, it is the form y equals to mx plus c. Again, the hopefully equation yes again. X squared plus y squared equals to something. Or something depending on the second mocha. Again, but prove that this line does not touch the second. Right one. How are you going to prove that? Well, you know you can this. Yeah? You know this thing, you did this thing. It's simultaneous. I guess to simultaneous point of intersection. Yeah? When you intersect, then you can solve for x. There is no solution as the answer. What are the two lines that don't intersect? Because there's no x value or y value. You have to go back now. I guess to make a parallel. Simultaneous. Right. Then, our line is second. You will get a geometry again. Second line is second. Again, 2 points. It cut about 2 points. So if they can ask me to prove that this line is a second, or cast the second 2 times, we prove simultaneous. Again, the linear equation, we subject of the formula. Again, substitute into the what? The equation is second. Then I must have 2 x values. X value, x value. Can coordinates equal x value, the y value, the x value, the y value. Yeah, ready to run it. Yeah, line is 50 seconds. Grass street line. Hello? Yeah, touch again. This one you touch again. Grab a cut, not touch. Then cut. Again. Then Rarawala tangent. Tangent is a second again. At 1 point. So what are the solver for x? Simultaneous. Again. Equation a second equation a straight line. Now answer also level x equals to 4 or x equals to 4. Right. Solution x equals to 4. Right. Only one x value. Only one y value. Therefore, the line touches the second at 1 point. Right. So if you tangent again. Tangent doesn't mean that this one is also a tangent. Right. Then the radius will be a then normal regulate kayo again regulate kayo like don't fit agas pitnya right. So over normal radius because normal radius come can actually the tangent again and they all pass through the center of the second. Right. Then in real life you'll find this on YouTube. This presentation is there. You explain about what in real life, we're like a radius. Ukanaka bicycle. Again, one another bicycle. The spots. When they are from the center to the way to the circumference. Yeah, drawing case to the radius. Again, A. Then she will bicycle. She is tangent to the second. A tangent to she now. So what shoots are masculine? Mutumutama masculine sa R71. Just one she don't have again. The wind is tangent to the what? To the scontil. So yeah. So more we're just looking at the relationship between sectors and lines. Yeah, so questions about relationship between sector and lines, kitchen 3. If we reach simultaneous, we know prove a line is a second. If that way, cut a second twice. Again, what else on you will two x values, two y values. We'll solve simultaneous. Again, raise I cut is I touch. Ilu Bohole. What else on you will one, no x value, no solution. No solution in a jury, Gravian. You don't choose a security or security negative. Or like a solve a capital or some variation quadratic formula and the security away negative. Rewan. So level algebra yet then I got. You want algebra yet and I want. Don't have questions on that. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. We talked about this. So this is the your handbook. This one is from the handbook. Okay. So let's check them. We've talked about tangent and all that. So let's for now. Lawyer, number three. Look at number 3. Wait. Determine whether the given lines is a tangent, second, or 9. Again, 9 line Mola very shame, simultaneous. This simultaneous is a straight line, the second. You are doing simultaneous, not knowing what you are solving this equation. I mean, this question. I'm doing a little more now. It's simultaneous now. You will see more. This we solve again. So, more or solve our second. I mean, it has a second or I touch a second. Right. Come on, you know, she and a this is few number 3. Again, the exercise page 187 of Platinum textbook. Exercise 2. Exercise 2. 197. Again. Now, let's look at this one. This one is there as well. What do you choose? Again. So when we look at the relationships between radii and the distance between two centers of seconds. Again, more than second. Again, line and second. Again, so this time but about 3 maybe second GP. Yeah, we shall. But we shall second maybe a toucher while touching. Right? Yeah? So how much that second toucher or a toucher? Robert the distance between the radiuses. Yeah, right. The regulation I got your before with the like of machine. Right. So the other second level is teacher. Again, they are touching. Right. This is the center. The real way what do you like matter? This is the center. Again, this is the radius. This is the radius. Let's say radius you get the rate. Get to 1. Right. Then Ravala cycle is very useful. Same circles. Circles, bro. Now let's read the 1. Again, check these 2 circles. In a radius here, circle plus radius here, circle. 4. Again, what error radius? Level distance here. Again, the way you coordinate. Again, you calculate a distance here. Come to you calculate a distance. Right? Come on. And then a distance AP. What is AP? AB before. Has it for? No. Before. Right? Come on. So where are we? R your whole radius your whole plus radius equals to AB. Equals to the sum of the 2 radiuses equals to the distance between the centers. Can I give you that? Yeah, go on. So what will be on? What are the 2 radiuses touch? The 2 circles touches each eye. They are human. You know what touch? Like I'm going to do what you can. I got a super good one. You know, again, this is a good one. So the two circles touch. Then second got touch hand. Again, then I don't know how the end. Illegal link. The distance here, the same. So to prove that the two circles touches each other, or calculate the distance between the centers. Right? What we agree the sum of the radiuses. Then you can how the two circles touches each other. Right? And how we find this equation? What do we find equation in a second? Or find equation in a second? How do you like what about find this form? Again, when also to create who compute this space, who create 70. Rabusha, who create the radius. Akituna kia kwa ala. Who create center? Who should be distance from to calculate what? The distance between the two centers. Right? Then we to calculate the sum of the radiuses. Really, one of the two circles touches each other. Does it make sense? Yes. Now, add the gap. Around the ledge. The distance between the two centers. Where? The sum of the radius provided before again. It's a lot for. I think 1 plus 3. Radius plus radius. But check the distance between the centers. What only distance? Why? Can you see what is more than the sum of the radius? What are you? Yeah? What are the secondary domain? Yeah, so in this situation, really, AB is greater than R plus R. Yeah, careful. AB careful. Come on, right? Come AB that's before. What's in this part? Right? Come I don't want to change distance for me. More relating the radius. Yeah, what? Now, Artega. Arwondi. Radius is you. Again, then center. More organic. AB is what? Sorry? Yeah? AB to mine. Why? Because distance here where I'm going to be. Yeah, so more than the two circles intersect. More touches. More they don't touch. More they do what? They intersect. Yeah, what I like. Remember, I feel again the distance between the centers and the radius. We're going to push it again. Now, let's check this one. You got what's so apparatus. Right. Yeah, results one. Yeah, it's hard. Again. So more than like AB chloride less than R plus D. Right. And somebody on a sheet, much machine. Again. So here the distance from center to center. Again, R1 minus R2. Again, from center to center is equals to radius minus linear. What are you going to prove? They touch each other internally. You make a high where it touch. Or radius minus radius linear. Right, one the distance here, the distance from center to center. Radius minus radius here. Yeah, one. Right. More distance from center to center equals to R1 plus R2. Right, one. Then these things are there on YouTube, so you don't have to write them. Just go to YouTube. You should be there. Your teachers on YouTube. Right. Okay. Then the same with this one. Again, distance from center to center equals to is It's what? Distance, ABLR is less than R1 plus R2. Yeah, no, this one is yes, yeah. Is great because only space and molar. I get then yellow, balance. This one you'll do for me number 4. Determine whether the following seconds touches each other, intersect, or never cross. Order number 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean 3 and 4. That's a class way. Then you do 6 as a whole. Then we are done. On Monday, Mr. Maibuda will do a test. I'll send him a test. You'll be writing a test. First, people did already have comments. Again, our comments, you're writing a test here, analytical geometry. Only this section, analytical geometry. Again, prepare yourself is grade 11 and then grade 12. The same applies to my science. My science, we're doing one hour and 11 minutes. You're going to do a break, 10 minutes. Yeah, they're not 10 past 11. We'll tomorrow because I trust you. I trust you. I will come and invigilate you because I don't trust you. All right. Thank you very much. Have a lesson.